the usage of the technological devices at the lessons is not a question anymore. It's a must, and every teacher should know how to integrate it into the teaching practice. Using information technologies gives the teacher and the students a lot of opportunities to develop and to become an effective learner in the 21st century. At my lessons, I try to use a lot of different things. I encourage my students to do it, but first of all, I do my best to be competent myself, because I am the role model for them. Using different online tools as well as different software gives me a chance to make my lessons interesting and engaging. Here I would like to give some examples of using Movie Maker at my lessons. I find this tool really very easy to use because my learners have quite good skills at computer technologies and they are interested to work on their own. It means that they try to be very independent in their learning, and it also helps me to develop their autonomous learning skills. Here I want to show some of the aims of my using Movie Maker at the lesson, and also one of my students will give her impressions on using Movie Maker.
Я Ратушняк Таня, учениця 11 класу. Я використовую Movie Maker для своїх шкільних цілей. Я роблю чудовий відеоматеріал, на який цікаво споглядають мої однокласники та вчителі. Вже доволі давно використовую програму Movie Maker, вже приблизно 6 років. Вчителі нас заохочують для роботи з цією програмою, тому що можна підготувати доволі цікавий матеріал.